In the ever-evolving world of luxury SUVs, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V stands out as a symphony of power, opulence, and cutting-edge technology. This latest iteration of Cadillac's flagship SUV promises to redefine what it means to travel in style and comfort. Unleashing raw power. At the heart of the 2025 Escalade V is its formidable engine, a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, churning out an astonishing 682 horsepower. This powerhouse ensures that the Escalade V isn't just about grandeur, it's about performance. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 4.4 seconds, this SUV competes with some of the fastest vehicles on the road, blending speed and luxury in a way that's nothing short of exhilarating. Design that commands attention. The Escalade V doesn't just move with power, it looks the part too. Its aggressive, yet sophisticated exterior design features a bold grille, sculpted lines, and large, imposing wheels that give it a commanding road presence. To sleek LED headlights and high-performance fog lights add a touch of modernity, while the panoramic sunroof and chrome accents enhance its luxurious appeal. Cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Escalade V is packed with the latest tech innovations. The Cadillac Super Cruise system offers hands-free driving on compatible highways, making long road trips more relaxing. The SUV also boasts an array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to enhance safety and convenience. A luxurious driving experience. Beyond the impressive specifications, the Escalade V delivers a driving experience that's both powerful and refined. Magnetic ride control and an advanced air suspension system ensure a smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining agility. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on a highway, the Escalade V's performance is tailored to offer both dynamic handling and supreme comfort. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade V represents the pinnacle of luxury and performance in the SUV segment. With its powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious interior, it's designed for those who demand the best. Cadillac has once again set the bar high, offering a vehicle that is as thrilling to drive as it is to behold. For those seeking a blend of elegance and adrenaline, the Escalade V is the ultimate choice.